So this is the thing I've started to name P.I.E.T training, like diet but with a P. The P stands for pure intensity endurance training. So the aim is to not have rests, a bit like Tabata and high intensity interval training, where you do a short burst and stop. Your aim is to get yourself up to high intensity, stay there as long as you can with the endurance part. So this is all the minutiae, and if you was coming in from the car park with your finger, get yourself up into the running track, what's left of it, all the minutiae. And this involves doing half mile as flat out as you can with 100 press-ups, 100 sit-ups. So I always start in this corner, put a little white marker down or a branch or a twig. You can leave a drink there if you want. And then get your clock ready, and then you start the timer, get yourself all the way around the track. As you come back round, check what your first lap is, aiming to always be under 2 minutes, or up between 1:30 and 2 minutes is a good speed. Once you've done one lap round, you carry on going around until you get to, you can see these marks here, which is the old lights post. So you've been all the way around and then continued round, so it's about 500-600 meters. Get yourself down at that 5 press-ups, 25 half sits, get up, move to that one, repeat, 25 press-ups, sit-ups, repeat on that one, repeat on the last post, which then leaves you a roughly 100 meter around the corner sprint. Once you get yourself back to there, stop the clock. Today I got round in 6:19 on my first lap. Strictly take 1 minute rest, and then off you go again all the way around, getting back down onto here, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, repeat there, and then get back around. My time on the second lap was 6:27, 1 minute off. On the third lap I got 6:28, on the fourth lap I got 6:30, and on my fifth lap I got 6:30. It is really hard, but it's pure intensity. It's roughly 2.5 miles to do these 5 laps, half a mile running into the place and then a little bit to cool off. So that's like a 5k run, but way more intense than doing something like a park run. It's full body. So if you want to try a really hard workout, the T1000 stands for, the T is for the track, and the 1000 is because you've done 500 press-ups and 500 half sits. So you've done 1,000 reps, hence it's called the T1000.